Okay guys, so I have here my colony of Discoid roaches that I have been trying to get to breed for, I'm gonna guess about 4 months now, but I have not had any babies yet. So I'll show you their setup. I have a couple of heat mats that I use to keep them warm because they need very warm temperatures or climates. I move this around, so of course I've got a lot of things going on here, a little bit messy. There's one, but I just don't have any babies yet, and I can't figure out why. So I am going to, I've got my gloves on, I'm going to bite the bullet today, and I'm going to try to sex them. So I'm going to, from what the research I've done, try to tell my boys from my girls, and I'm going to separate them. And then I guess the ratio that you're supposed to keep them at is 1 male to every 3 female or so. So I'm going to try that. I'm wondering if I don't have just all females. I doubt it's all males because apparently they're supposed to fight when you have too many males. So I have no idea what's going on here. I want to figure out why I'm not having any babies. I've got some really big, healthy roaches going on in here. Doesn't look like very many. They're in here though. They're all back here by the warm heating pad that I have, but I don't have any babies yet. So I'm going to try to figure out why. I am now up to 1, 2, 3 lizards that eat roaches or insects, and it's costing me a fortune to keep them fed with ordering them all the time. So I thought I would try to get myself a colony going on my own, but I'm just not having any luck with it yet. So we'll figure out hopefully what the problem is. Okay, so let's just get to it, I guess. So I've got a separate bin over here that I'm going to put them in once I figure out whether they're girls or boys. So the difference from what I understand is that females are darker on their abdomen. They should have a wider abdomen. Yeah, oh God, these guys are big and strong. The way it wiggled out of my hands is crazy. Ugh. Yuck. And they're supposed to be segmented. Whoa, 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 yucky, yucky, yucky. I don't know if you can see this very well. Ah! God. I don't mind so much touching the little ones, but these big ones are kind of creepy. I touched the babies that I feed my nymphs to, the ones that I feed my lizards. I touched them barehanded, actually. But these guys is a whole nother story. They're kind of freaking me out. So here, I'm going to try it again. God, they're strong. Okay, so anyway, the underbelly is supposed to be, whoo, this is just terrible. I'm going to have to edit this a few times. It's supposed to be segmented towards the tail end on the male, and the female is supposed to have a dark underbelly. So this to me looks like a male. Come on, hold still, buddy. I don't know if you can see all this. It looks like that this part down here is segmented and they have the yellow belly. Whoopsie. So I'm calling this a male. Yikes, don't lose your leg, bud. All right, I'm putting him in there. That looks like a male to me. Ugh. Maybe that's my problem. Maybe I just have all males. Because the last one I picked up looked kind of like a male, if I even know what I'm talking about. Okay, yeah. Geez, that looks like a male too. Segment here and yellow belly. Another boy. Gosh, these things are huge. Okay, I think this is a female. I can't really tell for sure, but this belly part here is smooth. There. And it's kind of right here is more smooth than the other guy. It doesn't have the little segmented pieces. I don't think. All right, so I'm going to say that's a female. All right, I'll put female. I've got a separate one I'm going to put them in. The one good thing about discoids is that they can't climb up smooth sides. So Oh, God, this is a job. I've been putting this off for a while because it's freaking me out, quite honestly. Ugh. Ouch. Okay. Hold still, bud. Owie. Boy, their little nails or legs are sharp. This guy, I think he's too young. I'm just going to put him in with the boys. This is not a fun job, guys. Oh, this is one of those young ones. I'll put him over here too. This right here, the first couple times I saw something like this, I freaked out because I thought my roaches were dying. But actually what this is their shed. They will molt and kind of leave this exoskeleton behind. So I've actually been pretty lucky with the, I don't want to say success, but these guys are really spoiled. I feed them very well. There's a bunch of them. They're just not producing me any babies. Yeah, oh God. Okay, I'm gonna say that's a male. Okay, whoops. Kind of segmented down in here. It doesn't look as flat, or not flat, but smooth, I guess. It's got more segments. So I'm calling you a male. Boy, I hope I'm right. Oh, here's another one of the young ones that I got from my feeders that I decided to throw in. I thought it'd be better to have a couple different generations going. Here's another one. Let me get rid of him. Those are still what they call nymphs, and they're not going to be able to reproduce yet. Okay. Yep, that's got a tiny segment. That's definitely a male. I think I'm getting better at this. Now, so far, only one female. That's not a good ratio. It could be that maybe they're having babies, but they're eating them. Looks like, to me, another male. I'll be doggoned. That might be the issue. Although I thought that they might be fighting and killing each other off if I had so many males, but I think it's if there's females around, they'll fight. Another thing that they say, you can tell, ooh, is that a baby? Oh my God, maybe I do have babies. I think I just saw a little teeny nymph, and it's definitely smaller than any that I have put in here. Oh my gosh, maybe I do have babies. Where did it go? Although it's only one that I saw. Oh, that would be amazing. I have a substrate in here. Some resources say that you don't need substrate, but this is just, I think it's Eco Earth, Cocoa Core. I wanted to use this to help keep some moisture in here, and it's going to, not that they have a smell, honestly, there is no smell, but I think it will help give the babies some place to hide if I do have babies. Because they will be cannibalistic, I understand. Ooh, oh golly, I didn't expect to pick that guy up. Oh, look, I think this is the baby, look. Oh, I think I have a baby, guys. I do. Oh my God, that's a baby. I'm so excited. I did not expect to find this today. Look at this little guy. One. Where'd he go? I need more than one, though, if I'm going to be feeding my lizards. Oh my God, there's movement here and movement here. I have babies. This is so exciting. I have not gone through this before today. I see movement in my substrate. Oh, I'm so excited. I was not expecting this. So look, there's more. Oh my God, this is so great. Oh, there's another one. Oh Lord, this is the best news. Maybe I should just leave things the way they are then. I don't know if I need to separate everybody. Look at all the movement down in here. I don't know if you can see. I'm going to have to do some adjustments with my camera later. But this is just better than I expected today. I was going to try to separate my males and females and make a concerted effort to try the breeding. But look at all the movement down here, guys. There's all kinds of little babies moving. Wowee, this is great. All right, I'm putting everybody back. I think that I have a really good setup here. It's taken a little bit longer than I had anticipated to get some babies going, but I'm taking this as a great sign. I will look through my records to see when I ordered or set this all up and give you an idea how long it took for the babies to come. And we'll just go from there. Good job, guys. Let me just, while we're on the subject then, maybe my video is not going to be about splitting them up. It's going to be just about the upkeep and things for your discoid colony. So, oh look, there's another one. I'm so excited. Oh, this is the best. All right, so I'm going to put everybody right back the way they were. Good job, guys. This again is just a big tote. I used the black because they like it dark. I have brought them inside because it's really cold out. It got down in the 30s. Normally this is in my garage. Even with the heat pads though, I didn't think that it would be warm enough for them because they have to have warmth at least 90 degrees to breed. And so they're going to be inside here. Yucky, I know it's gross, but they really don't get out of this box. I've got their dinner. I feed them, this is Repashy Bug Burger. They like it. I have been giving them oranges. They say, I don't know if it's true or not, but that oranges are kind of like an aphrodisiac for these guys. I give them sweet potatoes, greens, things like that, apple cores, and they don't eat as much as I thought that they would. I imagined that they would just kind of chow down on this, but I end up having to throw out food all the time, and because I don't like it to be in here. This is their last food dish. Here you can see I gave them some red pepper, and here's a bunch of the Repashy that they did not eat. I think I do overfeed them, but I have just really babied them. I treat these guys as another pet, honestly, because they are going to save me a ton of money. And oh my God, I just look at that ground moving. This is so exciting. So plot twist, I guess, for my video. I am not going to be separating and trying to interfere with the mating process because obviously it is working. They're moving around down there. And this, I think, must have happened pretty recently because honestly, I have not seen anything going on. And now I've got babies. Like you guys know, I am not an expert on anything. I just like to share my journey with you because I'm sure there are more people out there like me who pick up hobbies and just like to share their experiences and what they find works. And apparently this is working. So we're going to put everybody right back. Where'd this guy go? I saw one in here. Oh God, two. All right, you guys, go on. Don't want anybody loose in the house. Okay, guys, so there we go. This turned out to be a much different video than I had planned. So if you have any questions or comments or suggestions, please feel free to leave them below. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so and give the video a like if you found any of the rambling information that I shared with you helpful. And if you are interested in learning more about my silkworms, I'd be happy to throw together a video about those. They've been very, very successful, and my lizards just love the silkworms. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Take care.